Welcome back to Ctube's channel. Now we're at the Sims of 2024 China Building and Decoration Fair, Guangzhou, one of the Asia's most influential and professional exhibitions in the building and decoration industry. The exhibition scale expands to 420,000 square meters and is set to commence on July 8th to 11th at the Canton Fair Complex and World Trade Center. Ctube is at Area A, booth 25 in Hall 5.2. The fair enhances and upgrades 6 thematic areas including customized decoration, window and door, smart home, material, hardware and machinery, design, and the Guangzhou International Sanitary and Bathware Fair. Ctube is the PVC conduit manufacturer in China, specializing in the development and production of innovative PVC conduit and fittings products for cable management and protection. Ctube is showcasing its innovative electrical conduit products, including rigid conduit, flexible conduit, and accessories certified by UL, CSA, ASNZS 2053, CE, IEC, and other standard codes. Featured products will include Schedule 40 rigid conduit, electrical non-metallic tubing, DB2 rigid conduit, low-smoke halogen-free conduit, solar conduit, and fittings such as elbows, couplings, electrical boxes, and more. Our products are exported to North America, including the United States, Canada, and Mexico, European countries, South Asian, Australia, New Zealand, and more. They are widely used in diverse applications, including hospitals, airplanes, and schools. Our team is here at the fair to discuss the latest electrical conduit solutions with customers. If there is any project as well as product consultation, we have professional staff to answer your questions. Ctube offers customization to ensure that we can adjust the unique requirements of each project, providing optimal performance and satisfaction. That's all we share today. Thank you for watching. For more information, visit our website.